Hello friends. Welcome to Library Facts. In today's digital world, managing information is just as important as finding it. That's why we're exploring an exciting topic, using social bookmarking in libraries. Let's understand how libraries can benefit from it. Let's begin. What is social bookmarking? Social bookmarking is an online tool that lets you save and organize your favorite web pages using tags and keywords. Browser bookmarks are saved only on your computer, while social bookmarking allows access from anywhere and lets you share with others. Social bookmarking allows us to 1. Access from anywhere. 2. Easy search with tags. 3. Share with others. 4. Discover trending resources. It's useful for both students and librarians, organizing research resources and sharing them efficiently. Students can save project-related links and categorize them with tags for easy access later. Librarians can recommend resources and create a digital library of useful links. Sites like Digo Delicious, now shut down, Pocket, Raindrop.io, Pinterest, Mix, and Reddit are widely used. Pocket lets you save articles and videos for offline reading. Digo allows highlighting and note-taking, perfect for researchers. Pinterest is great for visual bookmarking. Save images and links in one place. Raindrop.io has a beautiful interface for easy bookmark management. You can tag bookmarks with keywords like education, library, or research for better organization. Researchers can organize journal articles, websites, tools, and resources under specific tags or groups. Multiple users can contribute to the same collection or folder. Perfect for group projects or study groups. Create an account, install the browser extension, and start saving links. Use relevant tags to make searching easier later. Tools like Digo let groups collaborate on shared bookmarks. Libraries can share social bookmarking links on their websites. Save all research links in one place and organize them with tags. Your bookmark collection becomes a personal digital library, accessible anywhere. Librarians and teachers can create curated content folders to guide students in research and learning. Social bookmarks can be embedded into e-learning systems like Moodle, Blackboard, or Google Classroom. Libraries can integrate social bookmarking widgets on their websites to recommend resources. Perfect for organizing ebooks, online videos, blogs, databases, and more. Users can find top-rated or most saved bookmarks in a subject area. By teaching tagging, evaluating sources, and ethical sharing, libraries promote digital literacy. Some modern OPACs allow users to bookmark search results and export them to social platforms. You can follow feeds of specific tags or collections to stay updated with new resources. Librarians can maintain ready reference bookmarks for FAQs, databases, and trusted sources. Bookmark and share open access content to make quality resources more visible and accessible. Libraries can organize workshops or tutorials on using bookmarking tools efficiently. Bookmarking tools can help create digital subject guides or reading lists for different disciplines. Tools like Digo allow you to highlight, comment, and annotate web pages for deeper understanding. Library blogs can share themed bookmarks, like top 10 websites for research skills. Useful for librarians managing free and subscription-based e-resources. Bookmark-related articles, past event pages, and resources for upcoming workshops or webinars. Online bookmarks serve as handy toolkits for students studying remotely. Social bookmarking filters useful content from the ocean of irrelevant information online. Libraries can invite users to contribute their own bookmarks on topics like climate change, AI, etc. Some platforms offer private folders, but users must still be aware of data and content sharing practices. Inconsistent tags, misspellings, or lack of standardization can affect searchability and efficiency. With AI and semantic tagging, social bookmarking will become smarter, predictive, and more personalized in library services. Users get ready curated links without needing to search from scratch. Follow trending tags like #LibraryTech or #InfoLit to stay updated. Credit original sources and avoid sharing copyrighted content improperly. Track how many users saved or clicked your library's shared bookmarks. Libraries can follow controlled vocabulary or standard subject headings for consistency. Did you know? Over 70% of researchers lose valuable sources due to poor organization. Social bookmarking can fix that. Don't forget to subscribe Library Facts. Thank you.